Here's an original low-mile 1985 Buick LeSabre. It's actually a collector's edition series of this car. 1985 would have been the last year of this body style. This is a two-owner car. Second owner picked her up straight from the gentleman that bought this brand new. Powered by a 5.0, 5-liter underneath the hood, or 305 Chevy engine. This car has the original paint to it. If you know anything about mid-80s paint, it wasn't the greatest from General Motors, but as you can see, the paint's held up relatively well. It doesn't have a tremendous luster to it, but overall, pretty nice shape. This car has always been stored inside. Also, the vinyl top on it, or the quarter top, I should say, of vinyl in the back. I'll get back there and let you take a look at it. Very nice shape. Those are the stock wheels that would have came on the collector's edition. Interior of this car is absolutely beautiful. The car's got a little over 34,000 miles on it, and it really shows in the interior. The plush Buick interior, front bench seats. Here's the vinyl top back here. As you can see, extremely nice shape. Sometimes these got dry and cracked and brittle over the years, but again, this one was stored inside, so the vinyl top is in very nice shape. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or if you'd like to give us a call, have any questions about this vehicle, like to have us check something out on it for you, or maybe wondering about transportation to where you're located at, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. So nice and straight the car is. Like I said, a little over 34,000 miles, so you expect it to be in nice shape. Take a look at the seat. Not ripped or hardly worn. The rear seats don't look like they were really even sat in. Go ahead and fire this up too, but check out the interior door cards. Lots of times you've kind of seen this veneered top cracking and what have you due to age, but very nice shape on this. Same as with the door handles. Armrests are on the side. See, power windows, power locks. Go ahead and fire this up. See how easily it starts? There's the miles on it, 34,280. I said those are original. There's no check engine lights or anything. That's the seat belt, since I didn't put the seat belt on when I got it. Also has the collector's edition logo on the dash there. Again, you can check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or feel free to give us a call. Get that to come off the high idle a second here. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Got to warm up, we'll come off that high idle a little bit. There we go. Now you hear how smooth it runs up front. 1985 Buick LeSabre, two-door, collector's edition. A little over 34,000 mile, two-owner car.